Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you what you could expect from the Eurostar Premier Lounge at London St. Pancras Station. Please follow me on Instagram at Brandon Johnson 10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this is the Eurostar Premier Lounge. So you'll need a Eurostar Premier ticket to enter this lounge. They do have one on the Paris end as well. We were traveling in Plus, so didn't have access to that. And honestly, the lounge isn't anything special, but again, you can fill up on some drinks, some finger foods before you step onto the train. Again, I guess it's always better than sitting outside in the terminal per se. Well, it was quite crowded around this time. Quite a few trains that are leaving. Feels like every hour going from London to Paris. So I do believe the American Express Platinum card, you do get entry into this, but you cannot bring a guest with that entry there. I think they're doing some work on this lounge to make it better. You got the train departures there, the TV screen of some sort. So yeah, lounge not all that impressive, but again, it's an option if you're traveling in the Premier cabin for Eurostar and you're traveling out of London. So I'll leave you with the rest of the lounge. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.
Mm.